To sell vintage clothing and accessories on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products on this platform, which is etsy.com. So this is the main page of the platform, as you can see, and here we have the sign in button. If you want to create your new account, click on register, and if you already have an account, just go with sign in, and then you will proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, so this is the dashboard of the platform, and here in your top right we have 5 buttons. We have the favorites buttons, where you can find your favorite shops or your favorite products. Then we have the updates, where you can see all of your updates. Then we have the shop manager, and it's where we will proceed to create our shop page. Then we have your account, as you can see, where you have the purchases and reviews, messages, special offers, Etsy registry, account settings, and sign out. Then we have the basket, where you can find the products that you saved. So here, let's go to the shop manager, and let's go back to the shop preferences to start from the beginning. So here, this is the first step of creating your shop, is to choose your language. As you can see, it's already saved. Then you choose your shop country and the shop currency. So I'm going always to choose United States dollar, and then click on save and continue. Then you will choose a name for your shop. So I'm just going to choose vintage clothing and accessories. And accessories. So I think it's over 20 characters. First I need an S. So as you can see, it's over 20 characters. So I'm going to remove and let's see, it's still more than 20. Let's remove accessories. It's still more than 20. So this name is available, so let's save it and continue. Then we proceed to fill in all of these informations, as you can see. So here we will create a listing, add some photos and details about our item, fill out what you can fill. For now, you will be able to edit this later. So let's fill first. What we need to fill is photos. So here you will need to upload as much or as many photos as you can. Primary photo, every angle, variations, styled scene, size and scale, in use, details, and so on. So here you will just need to follow these tips. Use natural light and no flash. Include a camera object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all the options. And as you can see, use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. So just follow these guidelines and tips, guys, and you will upload just fine photos. Then when you upload your photos, and by the way, this is obligatory, guys, you can't just skip this step. You need to upload the photos of the product, and likewise with the video also. So you'll need to upload a video of your product, and max file size is 100 megabytes. Also here you have the quick tips. Film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080p or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos to sell, just click on this link. And after you're done with your video, then you proceed to the listing details, where you type the title of your product. So I'm just going to type vintage clothing and accessories. So let's copy this. Vintage clothing and accessories. Then you will fill this information about the listing, starting with who made it, if you did, a member of your shop, another company or person. So let's go with I did, and also what is it, a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. So let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? So here you choose the time where you made it. So I'm just going to go with 2020 and 2023. Then you choose the category of your item. So let's go with clothes. Let's go with vintage clothes. And let's go with this one, for example. And here these are optional if you want to choose the primary color, secondary color, size option. It is all optional, as you can see. Also the sustainability, it's all optional. Also optional pattern, neckline, color, style. It's all, guys, it's all information about your product, as you can see, and they are all optional. So what matters is these other ones, as you can see, the renewal options. If you want to go with automatic or manual, then the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product, and then you will need to type a description for your product. So it's easy, you will just need to go to ChatGPT, give them a few information about your product, and they will type a good description. And here, if you want to add a production partner, you can do it. If not, just leave it. And here also these ones are optional. Section, tags, materials. Then you choose a price for your product. Choose if your domestic and global pricing, if it's a domestic and global pricing or not. Choose the quantity, SKU, and if you want to add variations to your product, also personalization. And here you have your shipping information or your shipping settings. Then you have the return and exchanges policies, as you can see. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.